Welcome back to Mobile's Buzz 2.0. Today, we're delving into a crucial aspect of smartphone technology: battery and charging. Let's explore how the iPhone 16 series is revolutionizing power management. Let's start by discussing the impressive power capabilities of the iPhone 16 series. Apple is gearing up to equip these devices with larger batteries and faster charging options. Imagine having access to up to 40W wired charging and 20W MagSafe charging, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day regardless of the model you choose. The iPhone 16 lineup caters to diverse needs, ranging from the sleek standard model to the powerhouse Pro Max. Whether you opt for the standard model's 3,561 mAh battery or the Pro Max's impressive 4,676 mAh battery, you're getting a device that's built to keep up with your daily demands. Enjoy effortless charging experiences with lightning-fast speeds. With up to 40W wired and 20W MagSafe charging, topping up your iPhone 16 is quick and hassle-free. Say goodbye to lengthy charging times and hello to more time enjoying your device. In conclusion, we've taken a closer look at the battery and charging capabilities of the iPhone 16 series. With bigger batteries and faster charging speeds, these devices are designed to keep you powered up and ready for anything. Are you excited to experience the power of the iPhone 16 series? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay charged.